Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. There was a comment in my videos that please put air coolers HTRI checklist actually. So seeing that I am trying to created one checklist for the air cooler exchanges using HTRI software. So what are the key checklist? Let's discuss this one. Okay, so basically the parameters are like general, design air coolers and remarks. So you have to check duty, surface area, finned area, extended area, bare tube area, design margin on the area, like minimum 10% area margin you have to give. Ratio of the finned area to the bare tube area is generally the range of 20 to 30 actually. So you can see that this is the surface area, bare and finned ones. Okay, overall heat transfer coefficient. You can see the unit reference to is available given the recommended range of overall heat transfer coefficient for different fluids. Optimum exchanger design should be higher heat transfer coefficient, the remark says. Then mean temperature difference, fluid tube side, level actual pressure drop, tube side, pressure drop air side in mm of H2O, MOC team like material construction for tube and fins. Aluminum fins are recommended due to lightweight and higher thermal conductivity. Falling factor tube air. Check for all process conditions are taken into output of the design of the heat exchanger. Design include all applicable sizes, summer, winter, etc. Approach temperature between process temperature and inlet air temperature should not be less than 5.5 to 6 degrees C. Design air inlet is so chosen that all the ambient air temperature will fall below this temperature 95% of time. Which means that design air temperature inlet temperature is so chosen that the ambient air temperature will fall below this temperature. Design should be high actually. Refer request design design basis from the design philosophy. Check that the outlet temperature, air temperature is not too high to affect the personal safety. Recommended max outlet temperature is 62 degrees C and well below uh, uh, PP limit of 70. So PP is personal protection, so temperature should be less than 62 actually. So the 65. Tube side velocity for the liquids 1 to 1.5 meter second, gases up to 30 meter per second. Unit geometry, number of bundles per bay. Two inlet nozzles to be provided for bundle with more than 3 meter width actually. Bundle width 14 feet. Bundle width of the standard truckable unit transport limit. So this is the limit for the bundle width actually, so that you can be easily transported. Tube and fin geometry, check that minimum 1 inch tube to OD tube is selected. Check the standard tube length is selected. Like standard tube length range from 1.216 to 12.16 meter, 4 feet to 40 meters. Right, so you have to show the standard tube length. Check that standard fin height is selected. Like standard fin height range is half inch to 5 by 8 inches. This is the conversion in the mm. Check the standard fin density is selected. Check the optimal tube rows are used in the design. Standard fin density is 7 to 11. Normally 3 to 6 rows are chosen. Check that proper tube type is selected. In case of fluid inlet and outlet temperature, difference is more than 93 degrees C. So it is more you select YouTube actually. YouTube type actually. For condenser application, allocate more 2 rows for the vapor region. This will help to reduce the delta P. And okay, what it says, what is the sec. Okay, nozzle pressure drop percentage not greater than 20%. And then there's a fan geometry, fan ring type. Select the appropriate ring type based on the fan kilowatts. Ensure that fan diameter is not more than 14 feet. Ensure that the ratio of fan area bundle area is minimum 40%. Ensure that fan driver power is not greater than 22 kilowatts. Fan vendor information is required to confirm the driver power based on efficiency. So this is vendor scope. Ensure that the fan are not overlapped or outside the length of the tube. Check HTRI 3D view. If HTRI doesn't show any warning message for this. Ensure that the phase velocity is greater than 4.5 1 meter per second. So these are some of the checklist actually, talking about velocity, kilowatts, ratio of fan area, oblique the bundle face area. So hope you enjoy my video. This is the HTRI checklist for the air fin coolers. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.